Hey, hi, Sue Moore here, and today the question is your skin looking like a muddy lake? Gosh, I hope not, but we're gonna talk about that today. So here we go. Have you done it all? Botox, lasers, fillers, but your skin still looks dull and drab and spotty, like a muddy lake? Well, when it comes to dull skin, it's generally not what you see here. It is what is under the skin that is causing the problem, things that you can't see. And you can't see them, so you're not aware of the fact that what is under there is robbing the skin of its natural vibrancy. Now, if you really want to scare yourself, hey Lori, if you really want to scare yourself and you have a friend who might have a ultraviolet light, it won't work here because the only time you can see this is if you're in a room and it's completely dark, but you turn this purple light on, okay? And you put it on your face and you're looking in a mirror, okay? Completely dark, and you do this and you go, holy bejabbers, I just did it. And I can't believe the sun damage that I did as laying out in the sun, you know, with baby oil and tin foil around me and all of that. Well, and I've been taking care of my skin for years. So, all that to say, you can improve it, but you want to try this? This is just kind of fun. It'd be fun at a party sometime, you know? Anyway, so let me just turn this off. Okay, now. All right, so, okay, without getting too technical here, when the skin's pigment, also known as melanin, is unevenly distributed through the face, through the cells, you get this spotty stuff, okay? When it's evenly, what's the word I want, distributed, then you don't get any, okay? So it's not obvious, obviously, to the naked eye, but it's those subsurface discolorations that cause the dullness. And that is largely due to sun-damaged skin throughout our life. And you know, there are times when we think, well, yes, but I did that when I was 14, and it certainly can't have a lasting effect, but you know what, it really does. So anyway, so what to do about it? A couple things. First of all, and you've heard me mention this many times before, but exfoliation is really, really key, because not only is it sloughing off the dead skin cells, but another good reason to do that is because as we age, this will blow you away. As we age, our skin's natural renewing process, the natural shedding of skin cells that the body goes through slows down about 7% every 10 years. Now, I haven't done the math on that yet, but I don't think I really want to either, okay? So, exfoliating is always extraordinarily important, okay? Obviously, a healthy diet, drink plenty of water, and sleep are a good thing. And then I really think that a skincare regimen that is formulated. Hi Laura, how are you? I got Lori and I've got Laura. Hi dears. Okay. I really do think that a skincare regimen that is formulated with the right ingredients, in this case kind of something with glyconic acid and vitamin C, just to name two ingredients, is extremely, extremely important. Now, kind of a sidebar here, and that is, you've heard me speak before about the importance of using products from one manufacturer, and the reason I think that is so very important is you want to ensure that the products that you are putting on your face are compatible with each other. And if you buy just products because you hear this is a good product for X and this is a good product for Y and so forth, and you put that together, you may not be getting the results that you really could be getting, and you may have spent money needlessly. And so it's really, really important, particularly when you're talking about sun damage and skin, dull skin. You want to give yourself every advantage you can to, up the game a bit and get that glowy, natural, healthy look back again, okay? So, let me see, what else did I want to say here? Okay, I think I said this, the right skincare will help revive the dull skin and the sun-damaged skin. And it doesn't have to, the sun damage and the dullness does not have to plague you for the rest of your life. But as I said, you want to use things that are specifically designed for what it is, whatever the skincare concern. Today happens to be dull skin. I mean, tomorrow could be wrinkles, who knows, or acne. But you want to make sure that you're using products that are specifically formulated for what is going on with you. Okay, that's important. And that gets to what I always say on these videos, and that is you want to have a good 4 to 6 week money back guarantee. And that way you can try it, you like it, glory. You try it, and if you don't like it, you can get your money back, okay? Because this stuff sometimes, I mean, some of it is very, very inexpensive, and then you have to wonder, well, will it really work for me? And then there's medium price things, and then there's, higher price premium kinds of stuff. So getting a money back guarantee will ensure you're going to get the best for you. And if it works for you, you don't mind paying a little bit more, okay? Because it's working, right? Hey, Dara, nice to have you on. Thanks for jumping on. Okay, so that really is it for now. And as I said, I want to emphasize you want a 4 to 6 week guarantee if you can get it, okay? The other thing, on a completely different note, is that today is the 30th, and so Mother's Day is about 12 days from now. And if you would like some suggestions that I have on what you could do, might be something different for your mom or your favorite woman that's with you, let me know. I'd be happy to share that with you. And on another completely different note, if you are curious about lines and wrinkles and what you can do to take care of them topically, I do have a PDF right here, and just private message me and I'll shoot it over to you. It's real simple, but it'll tell you if what you're doing daily is enhancing what's going on, or if it's keeping it the same, or heaven forbid, making matters worse. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Go out and get yourself or borrow one from somebody. A little blue light, just a minute, turn it back on. Little blue light. La, 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 la. I'm glad you can't see mine. Anyway, that's it for now. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.